Are you looking for leads? How about 100 leads for $1 a day for 30 straight days, and you can keep getting them over and over and over again. Stay with me throughout this video. What's up guys, Zeb here, and today I want to talk to you about my lead gen secret. Okay, now don't run away yet, because it took me a while to get into this platform, but now I see the power of this platform. Okay, now did I use this to make a bunch of money? No, I am using this for leads. Okay, you can get 100 leads every single day for $1 a day. Now guys, that is phenomenal. So when I first heard this, I wanted to say, you know what, that's bullshit. I can't do that. But you know what? I've invested in solo ads. I've sent thousands of clicks and got, a couple hundred leads out of that 1,000. And that cost me $1,000. I'm talking about 100 leads for $1 a day for 30 straight days. And you can keep doing this over and over and over. It's going to cost you $30 a month. So this platform gives you leads. Now, I was skeptical, but I have friends in this and they get the leads and they mail the leads and they have good open rates. So I'm going to share something with you, the most honest review that I can give you with my lead gen secret. And to top it off, I'm going to offer you how to do this on steroids and get a funnel that's a little different than everybody else is using, that uses a funnel builder as well, that's cheap. And I'll show that to you towards the end of this as a bonus. Now, this is going to blow this thing through the water. Okay, so let's jump into what is my lead gen secret in the first place. So let's jump into my back office. This is the page you'll come to. You click the link down below. What that's going to do, it's going to bring you to this capture page. And this is the capture page that I want to share with you in this video. Now, you don't have to buy this capture page, but I want to share with you 2 streams of income that will blow your socks off. But before I do that, let's jump into my lead gen secret, because this is a video all about my lead gen secret. I've only been in this platform for 3 days, guys. I wasn't even going to do a review on it, but I sent out an email earlier, just a couple hours ago, and the open rate is phenomenal. It's blowing my mind. Okay, I have a pretty big email list and GetResponse. Okay, now a cool thing about this is you can take these leads, you can keep them in this platform, you can send mail directly from this platform once a day, or you can take them leads out and put them into your autoresponder. Now, you can't use Aweber because Aweber does not like importing leads like this. You can use GetResponse. That's who I use, and I haven't got any problems. Now, I wouldn't go taking like thousands every day, but dripping a couple hundred in every now and then isn't going to hurt. I mean, if you're getting 100 leads a day anyways and you import extra 100, that's nothing, right? So what is my lead gen secret? My lead gen secret, what it does is it gives you emails from or email accounts from people that go to sites like sweepstakes sites, and they click a button that says you can use my email for other advertising, and that's where you get these they get these leads. So these leads are cold leads, but you got to warm them up, right? So I have a friend that does really well at this. Of course, he's been in it for several months, and he's got a good bit of leads now. And I'm like, wow, that's pretty freaking crazy. You got that many leads in here. And he started showing me the open rates, and I was kind of shocked. So I got into this 3 days ago. I didn't send any emails to any of my leads. I did take a couple out and add them to my email list and shout out emails like I do every day. But today I decided I'm going to use their master email swipe and their mailing system just to test the water, okay? So what I did, I went in here, right? So this is your front office. I'm going to be transparent with you guys. I haven't got any commissions as of yet in this platform, but I want to go through in depth of what this is all about. Okay, so it makes sense to you, and it's only $30 a month. I think when you first sign up, you have to pay like a a $30 sign up fee, and then $30 a month, and then it's $30 a month after that. Now, this is residual income opportunity, guys. So when you come in here, you click on my leads, okay? Now, you get 100 leads every single day. As soon as you get a referral, that jumps up to 200 leads, okay? So 200 leads every single day. All right, so I'm getting 100 leads. So I have an email list right now of 100 leads. I can send them any offer I want. I will be doing this. I'm keeping this system until it disappears because I see some very serious power here, because you can send offers of all different kinds to your leads, okay? And you can do it all from within here, or you can take your list out. It's easy to, you can export from here and all that kind of stuff, okay? Now, I don't want to share the screen with, well, I can click it open. What I'll do is blur out any of the stuff in here. It's all going to be blurred out. So what I'm going to be showing you is this is all real leads, guys. This is email addresses, their names, their dates they signed up, where they're from, all that fun stuff, where they came from, all that, all right? So these are legit leads. You can click this button right here, and you can download all your leads to a CSV file so you can upload them to another list, okay? So they are your leads. You can take them with you. This is powerful shit, guys, and I hope you are paying attention because these are good leads, all right? People are making mad sales off of these leads. So I was skeptical. My friend kept saying, dude, you need to stop being so skeptical. They're buying from me. But I was, and I'm stupid. I should have joined this back in September, August when he showed it to me, but I didn't. I was drug my feet. Now, they got this thing called master email swipes. I'm going to give you a secret here. If you come into master email swipes, it's going to be $59.95, but don't buy that. Go to their homepage, go to the chat, and ask for a coupon, and they're going to give that to you for $29.95. Okay, so you don't have to pay for these email swipes. I just did this to test it. All right, so I know somebody else that got their master email swipes and started using them, and they used them for 30 days, and they got really good results. So I was like, you know what, for $30, why not? I got $90 invested in this. I'll ride it for a couple months and see how it works, okay? Now, you have master email swipes, okay? And I have this blurred out just so you don't steal anything or whatever. But they have a mailing system, okay? You can mail through you can select all your leads right here and send your mail, okay? You can put an email in here, all that fun stuff, guys. You can put all your stuff in here. Click this perfect timing. Whenever you send from this, I don't know why, everybody that I've seen clicks this perfect timing. And what this does is I use this also in GetResponse. What it is it knows what time the people on your list most frequently open that email. So they send it at that time, okay? Now, you're only allowed to send one email every 24 hours, which is cool. One email a day from their system. That's phenomenal. Now, let me show you some statistics here. I sent this out at like 2 or 3 o'clock Eastern time today. It's 5 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock now. So about 5 hours ago, I sent this, okay? 300 people. I got 36 people opened it. 12% open rate. 4 clicks. Not bad, right? That is really good open rate. Okay? This is a really good open rate. These 300 people are totally cold to me. They don't know my name. They see my name up there. They don't know me at all. They're opening and people are clicking. Okay? Now, it's perfect timing set, so all the emails weren't sent. Okay? So they send them throughout the 24 hours at specific times depending on when that person signed up. So that person signed up at 8 o'clock, that's when they're going to send that email because they know that was a time when they actually opened the email, okay? So that's how that works. Now, I don't have any affiliates, okay? I don't have any affiliates, but what makes this cool is you can get paid 5 levels down as an affiliate as well. So you can get $5, $4, $3, $2, $1, all the way down, okay? Now, it don't seem like a bunch of money, but Imagine having 30, 40,000 users in your back, leads in your back office, and you're getting 200 a day. That can compound really quick. You're talking about 6,000 a week. I mean, a month. Okay. So this is full transparency, guys. I have no commissions in this, but if you do want to sign up, click the link down below, and I have a bonus for you. Okay. Now, if you click the link down below, what it's going to take you to, it's going to take you to this capture page. This capture page is money, and I'm about to show you why. Okay. There's two streams of income in this funnel. This funnel can be yours as well. So when you click on this, it's going to ask you for an email address. Okay. I'm just going to put in whatever email address I want. It's going to email me a link. It's going to bring me to this page. Okay. And it's going to bring me to this page. And what this does is it's doing all the selling for you. I'll give you this funnel. When you click on this, you got an option to buy this funnel and the software the funnel is in, which you can make even more money. So you can join, if you just want to join my lead gen pro or my lead gen secrets here, just click this link. Okay. And what this is going to do is going to bring you to this page, and you're going to sign up. Just put in your information, sign up, and get at me and let me know that you signed up. And if you do sign up, you can join our Facebook group and get some email swipes, okay, and all that fun stuff. Now, another cool thing about this, once you join my Lead Gen Pro, my Lead Gen Secrets, I don't know why I keep saying my Lead Gen Pro, my Lead Gen Secrets, you can come over here and be like, you know what, I actually want this funnel. I want a funnel builder that's only $20 a month. What? It's $25 a month. A funnel builder costs $25 a month, and it's pretty freaking good. I'm kind of surprised at it. Okay, now you're going to click on this page. Okay, this is going to give you a video talking about how it works and blah blah blah. So every $25 you make 80% commission on this HBA funnel builder. Okay, very good program, very easy to set up a funnel. You can have this exact funnel if you want it. You don't have to, okay? You don't have to do this. But if you do, you just click on this funnel builder and you join. And once you do join, the funnel will be in your back office, okay? So once you join the funnel builder, if you want to go this route, you don't have to. You can just go straight into my Lead Gen Secrets and buy my Lead Gen Secret. Just get your consistent $30 a month 3,000 leads or 6,000 leads if you want to refer. And then you have a website builder. Okay, so this is a straight up good builder, guys. It's got a store. Okay, you can add products to. You can build a store, guys. You can build a storefront with this. You got a CRM engine. Okay, this gives me who logged into this, who clicked on my links. Okay, of course I got them all going to an email list, but this tells me who's came in here. Okay, I got them all going to my get response, but they also store it here if you want them. You can export these. If you don't have an email platform, it don't matter. It'll put them all in here. You can save them for later. Okay, and you got a funnel builder. And this funnel builder is very freaking easy to use. I was kind of shocked. Okay, you can come in here to funnels, right? You could say you want to. This is this funnel. Okay, this is this funnel. I could actually be like, you know what? I just want to go to pages and I want to add a new page. I want to add a new capture page, whatever. And I can build my own pages in this. Okay, I can build a storefront, whatever I want in this platform. Is pretty amazing. Another cool thing is you can tie your domain straight to this funnel. Now, let's get back to my Lead Gen Secret. My Lead Gen Secret is an amazing platform, guys. It's an amazing platform. As you can see here, I've had, let me log in. I've had 37 people open it, 4 clicked, 12% open rate. That's not bad for 5 hours. And I haven't sent all the emails. There's only 300. Okay? So you got to see the power in this, guys. If you want to get started, click the link down below. If you want to get the funnel, click the link down below. The funnel will be there when you sign in to this website. As soon as you sign in, they will send you the website. As soon as you sign into the HBA funnel builder, okay? They'll send you the website. But I urge you, if you want to get leads, really cheap, legit leads, guys, this is where you do it. This is where you do it. Don't be scared away by bad reviews or anything like that. You can do searches on Google, but trust me, this is worth every penny. $30 for 3,000 leads is nothing. Okay, if you're running an online business, this is an area where you can send. It's just another platform where you can advertise any of your products. You don't even have to advertise with My Lead Gen Secret. You can use My Lead Gen Secret. You can also advertise other things, guys. Okay? So, guys, listen. If you want to get started, click the link down below. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm out. Hopefully, you too see what I've seen in this and click on this link. Get started with me. And if you want the funnel, for an extra $25, you can get the funnel, and then you got a funnel with 2 sources of income in it. You don't have to use those, but if you do, they're there for you if you want to. All right, guys, peace out. I'm out. I'll catch you on the next video.